All right, hi, we're back with the problem of the day. Sully measured 3 pieces of ribbon for a project he is working on. Each piece was 6 inches long. How many inches of ribbon did he use in all? Now, I have 2 different ways to solve this problem. One is that you can solve it with addition. A different way you could solve it is with multiplication. Go ahead and pause this video and see which way is most comfortable for you to solve the problem. When you unpause the video, I will talk about the answer and how to arrive at it. Alright, so we have Sully measured 3 pieces of ribbon. Each piece was 6 inches long. How much ribbon did he use altogether? So what I want to do for the addition one is, how many pieces of ribbon do I have? Right, I have 3 pieces of ribbon, so I know that I'm going to have to add 3 different numbers. Okay, what numbers am I going to add? Right, the 6. So I'm going to add 6 plus 6 plus 6. One way I can solve this is by adding 2 numbers and then the third number. So I already know my doubles. 6 plus 6 is 12. Alright? And then if I add one more 6 to 12, that's 18. So I know that he has 18 inches of ribbon. Now, I want to be sure to put my unit after the measurement. That's very, very important. Okay? But I said there's also a way that you could solve this through multiplication. Multiplication is really just adding over and over and over again. So this would actually be 1, 2, 3 groups of 6. Okay? So if I have 3 groups of 6, I would write 3 times 6. And that lets me know I have 3 groups with 6 inches in each group. So this is the number in each group. And when I multiply, I'm going to get something called a product. Okay? So an answer to an addition problem is sum, and an answer to a multiplication problem is a product. So 3 times 6 is actually 18. You can get the same thing with repeated addition or multiplication. We'll go more in depth to multiplication next week. We'll look at arrays and different ways to figure out multiplication, but I wanted to kind of give you a quick little introduction this week so you'd be thinking of that. And that concludes our problem of the day for March 25th, 2020.